Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this maniology Mani X Me March box, which is called Enchanted Waters. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. Their packaging is always the absolute cutest, in my opinion. Such nice quality. When you first open it up, you have these two cards. This right here is kind of explaining the aesthetic of the box. And then we have another card here, which is giving you like a design idea, which is really cute to add to the box. Definitely great for a beginner with this like me. It gives you step by step on how to create this really cute koi fish nail look. So we have that. So we're gonna rip right into this. I am so excited to see what's in here and try it out. And I always love that they include a sticker. I have them on my wall in my nail room. They're just so cute. So I'm definitely going to add this one for sure. So in the box right here, we have some exclusive items that come in this subscription box. So you can buy this and sign up for a monthly shipment of the box, or you can buy it one time. So if you sign up to get every month, it's $30 per box, or if you buy it one time, it's $35. So that's your price difference. So I'm just going to peel these little films off and struggle here for a second with my nails, and then I'm going to give you a look at what these stamping plates look like. Okay, so here we have a beautiful chrome powder that I cannot wait to show you. I cannot wait to use this in a nail set. It's so beautiful. So I'm just gonna figure out how to open this. And this is just so beautiful. I don't know if this is exclusive to this box, but if it is, it's so pretty. So we're gonna take a look at this. It's a blue toned glitter. It definitely has like a duochrome effect. It would have looked really pretty on the nails that I have on my hands right now, but I already top coated them and stuff, so I wish I would have gotten to use that. Now we're going to look at the polishes. This is the last two items in the box, and it comes with a regular polish and a stamping polish. The regular polish is a magnetic cat eye gel. The stamping polish is a cream, I believe. This is called Freshwater, and that one is called Koi. Beautiful colors. I don't have anything like them in my collection, and I am so thankful to have them. And I don't know why I kept doing this, but I do it again. I'm just gonna give you a quick look at the shade. It's so beautiful, so sparkly. I love it so much, and it's such a nice, smooth, thin formula, which you'll see when I do a test nail, 2 test nails. So we have that, and then I'm just gonna show you the Koi shade as well. These are so pigmented, these stamping polishes. I just absolutely love them. I like to use them on my toes a lot, like as full color. They're just so pretty, absolutely gorgeous.